Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Getting a curl error code 7 in FiveM can be frustrating, right? This message usually pops up when your game can't establish a proper connection to the FiveM servers. It's like your computer is trying to call a friend, but the phone line is busy or disconnected. We'll explore the most common reasons behind this error and give you clear steps to fix it. These solutions should help you troubleshoot and get back into the action very soon. Our first stop is your network connection. Always start by ensuring your internet is working perfectly on other devices. Sometimes, a quick restart of your home router and your computer can clear up any temporary network blockages. Also, remember that firewalls and antivirus programs can sometimes be a bit overprotective, so try temporarily disabling them to see if they're blocking FiveM's connection. It's a surprisingly common fix for many players. Next, let's consider DNS and server status. It's always a good idea to quickly check if the FiveM servers themselves are experiencing any issues. Official status pages are very helpful for this. If the servers are fine, try flushing your DNS cache. This simple command can clear out old network data that might be causing connection problems. Sometimes, using a reliable virtual private network, or VPN, can also help bypass local network blocks. If those steps haven't worked, it might be time for a more thorough reset. One effective solution is to completely reinstall FiveM. This ensures you have fresh, uncorrupted game files. You could also try resetting your network adapter settings, which can clear up any lingering network configuration problems on your computer. Remember, a clean slate can often solve stubborn issues. These steps focus on getting your game and system in perfect sync for a smooth connection. Remember, troubleshooting can take a little patience, so give each step a moment to work. Always ensure both your operating system and FiveM are updated, as developers frequently release patches for known issues. If you've tried everything and the error persists, don't hesitate to reach out to the FiveM community forums. They are a fantastic resource for more personalized help. We hope these tips get you back to enjoying FiveM very soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.